have the software implementation or the software program. Now, in the official documentation, they include the GitHub projects that are under openEHR. And the main thing that is very famous is the Archie project. So this is the implementation of openEHR RM in Java. So you can actually take this and play around with it if you have Java skills, and that'll be, a lot of the openEHR based platforms actually use Archie, and that's the reason why most of them are in Java. Now, coming again to the software program, the GitHub has quite a lot of different repositories, but that's not all. There is also the tools and products section here. So we'll take a look at that as well. So the modeling tools include things that you can use to build archetypes or templates. And it has quite a lot of these. We will be using the archetype designer, which is the first one right here. But other tools like the archetype editor or LinkEHR are completely valid as well. You can go ahead and download those if you want to also. There are also commercial paid archetypes like NetApp, for example. And then there is, for knowledge management, you have the CKM, which is again done by Ocean. So for platform, so again, this is an interesting bit. So platform is actually the openEHR clinical data repository implementation. So these are all free and open to use. For example, so we will be using EHR base in this course. There is also EHR server and EtherSys, but EHR base is the most, it's very well maintained, and we'll be using that for this particular course. There are also commercial implementations like Better Platform or DIPS or Code24 and EHR DB. So out of these, the Better Platform and EHR DB are both available internationally, and you can get a license if you contact them directly. And the other ones also you can have a look. So there are also applications, and there are no freely available applications. Most of them are commercial. So we will be going over, just for example, Better Meds has an application that runs on top of openEHR that is specific for medication dispensing. So I think there is an open source implementation of this called I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll put that in the link below. But they might have changed it quite a lot from its open source version. So then for guideline and decision support, so this is where the GDL2, which is the guideline decision language editor, comes in. And Cambio has its own CDS platform, which is a commercial aspect of it. And analytics, there is nothing here yet. So all of these are tools and software that is built using the reference model, using openEHR specs, and they are real software implementations. So you can take a look at these, you can download them and have fun with it. Thank you for watching. This video was part of the openEHR course that's available on the MedBlocks e-learning platform. I believe that the best way to learn a topic is to actually do it yourself and learn by doing it. So we have a lot of tasks for you in the course that we'll help you do, along with more video content just like this. And if you're interested in that, please do check it down in the link below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.